So guys, I decided to do a further research about GMG investment, and I discovered a whole lot of things that I want you guys to also see. This is beyond my eyes only. Look at Facebook, everyone is shouting GMG investment, GMG investment. People are making money, and if you have not watched this video, I did a certain video about GMG investment, and this is it. Please make sure you watch it. So lots of things now. Someone is saying GMG has gone. This is as at Monday, but I can tell you as at today, people are still investing because some persons are getting paid, some are not getting paid. So if you scroll through Facebook, you will see lots of posts about GMG investment. Imagine someone deposited 150,000 to GMG investment and all. So let me show you something that will blow your mind. The question is, does this company really exist? The answer is yes. That is GMG, which is the Graphene Manufacturing Group, and the real website link is graphene.mg.com. You can see investor relations, share price information. So they actually have shares, and their investment is actually based in Canada. So guys, any investment from this platform or with this logo is a scam. Go through the internet, do your research before investing. There are lots of things about this other company that calls themselves GMG Investment. Those guys are scammers, and you should do everything to avoid them. Now let's check out Graphene Manufacturing Group and what they have to say about this investment. This guys, this is the real company, and this is the legit company. Now the other one that you are calling investment is a scam, and most likely, used by fraudsters. When I checked this graphene.mg.com website, I saw this notification. It says, please be aware of investor fraud. Unauthorized third parties are purporting to operate in the name of or with reference to Graphene Manufacturing Group Ltd, GMG. This includes an apparent fraudulent investment opportunity in Graphene Manufacturing Group Limited. For avoidance of doubt, Graphene Manufacturing Group Limited is not marketing investment opportunities in Nigeria nor elsewhere, and does not seek investment or monies over the internet. Any interested or related representation by any party referring to Graphene Manufacturing Group Limited is not authorized and should be reported to authorities and avoided. Investment in GMG is either via the TSX Venture Exchange, a stock exchange in Canada, and an authorized stockbroker. GMG has formally reported this site and requested their removal. So guys, those guys are obviously fraudsters. Do everything you can to take out your capital if you still can. If you have not registered before, please don't go near it. Those guys are fraudsters, and it is obvious and now everywhere. Now, at least with what these guys have done, they must have reported the website that they are fraudsters, and sincerely we hope the site will be brought down as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. If this is your first time of watching our videos, please make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you also want to know more about that fraudulent GMG investment, please go to other videos on my website to see more about them. Thank you for watching once again, and bye for now.